Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to continue my tutorial series about how to make a multiplayer Unity game using Photon Pun. In my previous video I was showing you how to create this instance of a player, a cube, that we can move it using WASD keyboard buttons. And now in this video I'm going to show you how to assign a nickname to this player. So let's get started by adding a canvas element to this player object inside resources folder. I'm going to add UI canvas, the text. I'm going to add a text element on this canvas. If you choose text, it will automatically add canvas element, and I'm going to set the canvas to be space, and for the size, let's say 20 by 20. No, in position, this one is position 0, 0, 0. The width 20 by 20, it's fine. And I'm going to add, this one is text element. I will set the text to be bold, align center, and scale it down a bit, something like this. You can scale down the canvas and place it above the player. We will show the nickname of the player here on the text overlay. Alright, we have the text element on the player prefab. Now here, let's check out this script. Right now, at the beginning of the game, we directly connect to Photon server by calling this line, and I'm going to connect it later after we click a play button, for example. Here I'm going to add a function public void start the game, and then I will move this line here. Then I'm going to add UI element. We are going to work with UI element, so I'm going to add this unit engine.ui. Here I'm going to add public text nickname, player nickname, and then player nick, not text, input field player nickname. Then before connecting, we need to set the nickname of the player here. To set the nickname, it is very easy. We need to call Photon network.nickname. Photon network.nickname equals to player nickname.text. Then we connect to the network. Now it's time to create a nickname input field for the game. Hang on a second. We add a canvas here, UI canvas. Here I'm going to add an input field, just a regular input field, the old one. Input field, I'm going to change the placeholder text. Here, enter nickname. I will put it at the top corner of the game screen. Then I'm adding a button. It will be also here, just like this. And let me add an empty game object here, make it full screen. I'm going to make it child of this game object. Nickname input. I will go back to my script. Here I'm going to add public game object. Public game object input nick input. And after clicking the start the game button, I'm going to hide this panel. Nickname input dot set active false. Okay, let's go back to Unity editor. Click this launcher game object, which is the object that has the script. Player prefab, we have it here, and then player nickname, it should be this input field, and then nickname input should be this panel object. You can change the name of these variables, up to you. Now if after setting the nickname, we need to show the nickname that has been set on the UI text that we have here in the player object. I'm going to add a new script. I call it show player nickname. Double click it, and we are Photon Pun behavior fun callbacks. Then start. Yeah, we are going to work with UI, so I add this unitengine.ui. Here on the start we type game get component text. The text should be Photon view dot owner dot nickname. Okay, then we go back to Unity editor. We will add the script show player name script to the text element that we have here inside player object. This one, we attach the script here. Now let's go to let's go back here and let's start the game. Oh, I forgot to assign the on-click event here. Button on-click, drag this launcher here, simple launcher, start the game, and let's go test it. Here we need to enter a nickname. Type Habibi, click the connect button. I forgot to rename the button. Connect and hit OK. Now we got this player object with my name, and I'm going to build this project as a Windows game here, and I will run 2 instances of the game later. Alright, here is the game. I'm going to run it. This one I will set the nickname to player 1. Click connect button, and I'm going to start new game. Let me move it here, and here the second game will be the second player 2. Connect, and we are going to enter the game. Player 2, we are the player 2 here, the left one, and this one is player 1. Okay, what do you think, guys? Is it difficult or easy? I think it is somehow easy and also difficult, because I'm learning this multiplayer right now, and while I learn, I'm sharing with you guys. So myself, I'm not an expert in multiplayer, but I will try to share what I learned with you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye, see you next time.